Every moment counts. Your look and attire matters. The world is watching over you. You are what you wear. And that's where we matter to you. We're the weavers. We make fabrics for you. Bangladeshi weavers create every piece of clothing with devotion and love. The story of muslin is one wondrous significance of Bengal's rich Mughal heritage and legacy. The aesthetics and artistry of muslin still enthralls us. And it all began from Chorka. Chorka Textile, a sister concern of Pran RFL Group. With the vision of making poverty and hunger a myth in the society, Pran RFL started its revolutionary journey and became the biggest conglomerate of the country, serving 1.5 billion consumers per annum across the globe. Chorka is a high-end weaving platform, guaranteeing global textile supply and empowering people through general employment. Norshingdi, an hour drive from the Dhaka airport, is where our journey originated in the year 2013. Chorka is a 100% export-oriented knit garments industry that specializes in manufacturing ladies' intimate wear, undergarments, light knit and heavy knit. It has over 7,500 employees with more than 4,500 sewing machines. Chorka utilizes state-of-the-art European machineries. These machineries are renowned for their performance and top quality. It has a knitting capacity of 30 tons per day. The expertise of the placement print facility is about 40,000 pieces per day. Digital AOP printing facilities have unlimited color options with a production capacity of 2.5 tons per day. AOP printing has a sequence, applique, embroidery facility with a production capacity of 5,000 pieces per day. The dyeing section has a production capacity of 25 tons per day. 20 million yards of elastic are produced per month. Chorka's sewing thread capacity amounts to 1 lakh cones per day. Chorka has a label making capacity of 10 million pieces per month. Molding capacity is over 0.5 million pieces per month, while heat seal label stands at 4 million pieces per month. Trim production capacity can make 30,000 bows per day. Chorka has a carton packaging facility of 60,000 square meters per day and 1,500 metric ton poly unit per month. Chorka can produce 580,000 pieces hangers per day. Even the gum tapes required are produced in-house with a production capacity of 50 rolls per day. Advancing with an accommodating and accomplished design and R&D team, establishing product quality is the key. Therefore, constructing 2 in-house labs for both fabric mill and garment unit was essential. With 1,500 covered vans, the distribution team is always moving products from the factory to the port. Chorka's strengths are the enthusiastic, trained and skilled workers. In the Chorka compound, ATM booths are available 24/7 for all of the employees, along with shops providing a wide selection of groceries and snacks, as well as drinking water supply. They have access to doctors any time of the day for checkups. Sanitary napkins are free for the female employees. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it is also supplying the employees with hand sanitizers and masks. Adding on, daycare facilities accessible to all employees so as to help parents enjoy their parenthood. Picnics and cultural programs are held yearly for the employees. There are also arrangements for their recreational activities. Labourers who work nearby can use factory cycles, whereas for those who live farther out have access to different modes of transport as well as a dormitory facility. Workers' Participation Committee exists to support further diligence among employees. With the safety being the top priority, Chorka has a team of firefighters and we carry out fire drill monthly. The aim is to build a pollution-free generation and make use of the gifts of Mother Nature. We exploit daylight while working in the factory and solar lights in the streets. Partnering with our stakeholders, the main aim was to together address all concerns, environmental, social and others. Think green and believe in greenery. Development is something that has been the main concern, which is why we build mosques, schools and hospitals in rural areas. Sometimes life is also a runway. Your next flight makes all the difference. Destination matters. We have found ours, making the world a little better looking with our touch of class, one person at a time.